What's up, guys and girls? Justin Omoe here, and boy oh boy, did more things get piled on top of me in terms of my to-do list before I get things consistent around here. Sorry, I'm not venting. But you know what? I think I have an idea to use this thing that I have to do, which I'll reveal in a second. Look at this paper that I wrote here real quick. It's just some idea I jot down. I'll read it out for y'all. It sounds like a cinematic, uplifting, gritty style song. But the song feels like it's a money chasing style song. Sounds like a song where your boy was being used, but I'm switching out to be selfish for the better in that term. And the colors of the song, or the theme I'm seeing in my eyes while I hear this song, is a dark, grimy green, purplish, and then orange yellowish for like a, what's the word, complementary or opposite, I don't know. But I noticed when I was listening to the song, there's a lot of reference or style to like food and money. So it's like hungry for a meal, tossing out bird feed, that type of stuff. So I feel like this is a good idea to make an album art around having a plate with money on top of it, on top of a pile of junk. And in this case, the pile of junk, if you haven't heard, actually, it's been a while, hasn't it? Let me see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's been 11 days since I had 10 cubic yards of wood chip mulch dropped off on my sidewalk. All I know is that backyard is going to be producing money like this. Technically, it is producing money, but we eat all the damn food, which, you know, so it technically is saving money. But anyways, by the way, the cough is almost gone. Thank you for noticing. So the idea I have in my mind is take the plate with some money on it and then have it on top of this pile of wood chips. But I'm going to try to change the wood chips into garbage, or not garbage, but junk, like things I pick up off the ground and sell or fix. Like, yo, last week I found a deep fryer, brought it home. Actually, I got one more thing. Hold on. Check it out, my boys. Check it out. It's an octopus. And it switches faces. Ugh. Granted, you gotta beat it up a little bit. Yeah, now he's mad because I beat him up. Oh, yeah, he's mad for sure. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm apologizing to a plushie. But yeah, I be picking up stuff off the ground and be like fixing shit, man. Yeah. But in any case, let's go ahead and take this money. Hold on. Oh, shoot, $1. Real money. Fake money. Hit your boy up for mastering or something. I can't use this at the ATM. But anyways, we're gonna take this money right here, put it on a plate with a fork and a spoon or something, and a knife or whatever, on top of the wood chips. Let's take that photo. Okay, it looks like nothing, but let me show you a before picture. Yeah, it was pretty damn a lot. But here's a pile of it. You can see over there. Hold on. Hey, boo-boo. Yeah, you can kind of picture it with those buckets there. And by the way, there's more. Just a little imagination of what I had to deal with. And yeah, it's pretty much all that. That's all. And then there's the dirt I was just talking about. Alright, so something like this. Well, that's a pretty dope spot right here. Mind you, it is dark because it's like a raw file or something. But anyways, I like this one. So, yeah. Does look like a lot of work. Thankfully, we got AI to try and do something. Getting my lasso. Bam. Let's see how well the AI will deal with it. First off, we'll generate field and just click generate. It's going to be like, okay. Yeah, look at that. Oh, wait, there's more prompts to select from. Oh, 2 is better. Yeah, I like 2 right there. We good with that. Next, I want to change the wood chips, or try to change it for like a junkyard or junk or something like that. And then we're going to generate fill and call this... Who's calling? I totally forgot to unpause, but where was I? Okay, if you didn't see, hopefully I did. If so, I'll skip it. But I do got 3 images of junk from the generator. I went with 2 because it looks nice. This kind of works because you can see these lines around. So yeah, we're working with either this or the original, which is, well, not original, but this. Hard to say, man. Hard to say. I'm gonna go find my logo wherever I put it. Okay, I got my Omoe here. It's the dirty one. What we'll do is just make a stroke. Right? Now it's visible on this and on this. All right, time for the song name. All I really got. Easy as clicking and typing. all I really got. There was a way to make this text arch. Oh, here, look. Arc. Look at that. And now let's change this font to something gritty-ish. Alright, this looks pretty epic. What would a fan say if they see this? I think the wood chips is a little too dark in my opinion. Yeah, look at that. Alright. What happened to all that, hey, dark green coloring? Maybe I should change this to a dark green color. So we're gonna go to adjustments, hue and sat, colorize. Oh, now we ain't on no wood chips now. We on a bunch of leaves. I mean, that is what wood chips is, but it does remove that idea of like gritty feeling because brown was cool. I mean, taking away the color does give it a little bit of a, hey, I'm in a shitty situation. Oh man, this looks like the stuff down the toilet wants to take a big shit. Why did I lick my lips? Y'all know those shits that you take it and you turn back, it's like, yo, what the fuck? Why is it green? That's what it looked like for a second there. Yeah, there you go. And how about we brighten up this plate a little bit? Oh, that's the opposite. Oh, damn, that looks pretty damn cool. Who didn't clean this knife? Oh, that is tight, but it's hella not bright now. You sticking out very nice. Before, after. It's a little too much. Yeah, I'm cool with it. I think the wood chips could be like just slightly adjusted now I'm thinking about it. Like this does work on the eyes to make it like stay and hook on. Then this. Yeah, I think we'll just resort to just this. Okay, so it's pretty much it's an organic picture, minus the fact that I AI'd a couple of the corners there. Control Shift Alt E, Control Shift A one more time, and now we're gonna just like hit auto and yeah, just a little tinier the brighter. There we go, a little tinier and brighter. There we go, guys and girls. We got ourselves an album cover. I'm pretty sure this could be 100,000% better of an artwork if I actually planned it out better. I would have thrown like a little bicycle in there or something. Little plate. Big plate. Let me know what you guys and girls think. But yeah, with that being said, we got our song finished. And the album artwork is complete, more or less. So I guess the only thing left is just to publish that, which I'll do not on video. And I'll let y'all know when it's out. So yeah, let me know what you guys and girls prefer, big plate or little plate. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys and girls for watching. I am making these videos appealing to my OG fans pretty much. That's why it's not like, oh my god, I'm gonna make this Pokemon rap and, you know, attract an audience. I will be doing something like that in the near future. Just let me get this to-do list out of the way and I'll be multiplying videos like rabbits. I'll say it like that. So thank you guys and girls for watching. It is your boy Justin Omoe. And with that being said, peace. I'm out. And please have yourselves a damn good one.